big, fat, sick, fucking disgusting, black tongue, giraffe tongue, chow tongue.
He's boring. He's just boring to watch, you know?
Yeah. Dude's trash.
Yeah. I mean, he mostly likes to let the females come up and take over his panel.
Oh, wait a minute. Judge.
Yes.
I got some breaking news. We got some footage for the judge to review.
Oh, good.
Yeah, this is breaking news, folks.
I need to review if it's valid evidence or not.
Okay, here we go. This is this Jakey Poo or not?
We have powerful friends. You're gonna regret this.
Hold on, look at he's got the bug eyes. Wait a second. Ooh, look at that tongue.
Yep.
Did you see that black tongue?
Oh. I've seen that scene millions of times as a kid, and I never realized it was him. So, yep, I hereby rule that Jakey Poo is in fact Jabba the Hutt.
Jakey Jabba the Cuck. Jakey Jabba the Cuck. Poopy Jakey. Caca the Hutt.
dude, like the Jabba the Hutt. You know that's a puppet. You know that thing's a puppet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they had to use a bunch of people to